Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a loan from Paidy. First, ensure you have a verified Paidy account. Paidy provides a convenient way to access funds for various needs, often with quick approval. The process is designed to be straightforward, allowing you to manage your finances directly through their platform. We'll cover the key steps and what you need to know to successfully apply for a loan. To be eligible, you must have an active and verified Paidy account. The application process is simple and typically completed within the Paidy app. You'll provide some basic information, and Paidy will conduct a quick assessment of your creditworthiness. This usually takes just a few moments. If approved, the funds can often be dispersed to your designated bank account very quickly, sometimes within one business day. Paidy loans offer flexible amounts, tailored to your individual credit profile and usage history. You'll have clear repayment options, typically involving monthly installments over a set period. All applicable interest rates and any associated fees are transparently disclosed upfront, so you know exactly what to expect. This allows you to budget effectively and manage your repayments without any surprises. To increase your chances of loan approval, it's important to maintain a strong payment history with Paidy. Always make your payments on time and in full. Additionally, ensure all your personal information within the Paidy app is current and accurate. Regularly using Paidy for purchases and managing your account responsibly can also help build a positive credit profile, which is beneficial for future loan applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.